Hello, in this video we will talk about the one of the most useful and genuine platform launched by the Government of India, the Skill India Digital Hub SIDH. If you are a student, graduate or job seeker who wants to gain real skills, internships and government recognized certificates, then this video is just for you. Well, see the full registration and apply process step by step directly from the official websites. The Skill India Digital Hub, also known as SIDH, is an initiative under the Ministry of Skill Development and Internship. It connects learners, trainers, training partners, and industries in one place. Through this portal, you can learn new skills, apply for internships, get trainings under government-approved programs, and earn certificates recognized all over India. Here, what makes this platform special: 100% genuine government website, no agents, no fees, access to multiple courses, IT marketing, digital marketing, design, banking, and more. Apply for internship and government projects. Get government issued digital certificates through digital DigiLocker. Opportunities for both students and working professionals. To apply for this, first of all, visit this official website skillindiadigital.gov.in/home. If you are first for this website, click on registration. After clicking on registration, you will now see a screen that says Welcome to Skill India Digital Hub. It says you to select from three options: learn, participant for student or job seeker, partners for employers or institution, DGT ecosystem for ITs or training administrators. Choose learner, participate to continue. Now, after that, enter your mobile number and agree and continue. Fill your details. After that, fill your details: full name, mobile number, email ID, Aadhaar number, date of birth, education, qualification. Create a password and click submit. Next, verify your account using OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Once verified, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Complete your profile by adding educational details, state and district, area of interest like IT, banking, communication, etc. Upload a passport size photo and ID proof. Now click on Find Courses or Internship Opportunities on dashboard. You will see like government approved programs. Choose course or internships that suits you. Click on Apply. After applying, you will get confirmation message and application ID. You can track your status anytime from My Application section. If you are selected, you will receive email or SMS with your joining details. After completing the internship or training, you will get an official certificate from Government of India. Please remember, always use only official websites like Skill India or mygov.in. There are no fees to apply and no one can guarantee your selection. This is fully transparent, merit-based government platform. So this is the complete guide to applying under the Skill India Digital Hub. If you want to grow your skill and build your career with government certified programs, don't wait. Register today. Thank you.